9 words you should speak correctly in English. 9 words you should speak correctly in English is aimed at advanced English learners. Mastering pronunciation is a crucial part of becoming fluent in English. Mispronouncing words can lead to misunderstandings and can sometimes make even advanced speakers seem less proficient. Here are 9 commonly mispronounced words and tips on how to say them correctly. 1. Colonel. Incorrect. Colonel. Correct. KRNL. Colonel. Tip: remember, the pronunciation doesn't match the spelling. Think of it as Colonel instead. 2. Quinoa. Incorrect. Quinoa. Correct. KINW. Tip: originating from the Quechua language, it's important to note the keen sound at the beginning. 3. Debris. Incorrect. Debris. Correct. DBRE. Tip: the S at the end is silent and the stress is on the second syllable. 4. Espresso. Incorrect. Espresso. Correct. Sparso. Espresso. Tip: there's no X in espresso. Think of the word as starting with an S sound. 5. Mischievous. Incorrect. Mischievous. Correct. MSTVS. Mischievous. Tip: it has 3 syllables, not 4. The middle syllable is pronounced ch. 6. Niche. Incorrect. Niche. Correct. Niche or nt. Niche. Tip: both pronunciations are acceptable, but niche is more common in British English. 7. Hyperbole. Incorrect. Hyperbole. Correct. HRBLI. Hyperbole. Tip: the stress is on the second syllable and it ends in li, not don. 8. Hermione. Incorrect. Hermione. Correct. Hermione. Hermione. Tip: this name, popularized by the Harry Potter series, has 4 syllables with the stress on the second. 9. Prescription. Incorrect. Prescription. Correct. PRSKRPN. Prescription. Tip: the correct pronunciation starts with pre, not pre. Practical tips for mastering pronunciation. 1. Listen and repeat. Use resources like online dictionaries, language learning apps, or pronunciation videos to hear the correct pronunciation and mimic it. 2. Record yourself, record your pronunciation and compare it to native speakers. 3. Focus on stress and intonation. Pay attention to which syllables are stressed and how the intonation of the word sounds in a sentence. 4. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key. Integrate these words into your daily conversations. Improving your pronunciation of these commonly mispronounced words can significantly enhance your English speaking skills, making you sound more fluent and confident.